How to find clients in reseller hosting. Reseller hosting is a relatively straightforward business that doesn't need too much upfront investment. But the success of your reseller hosting business depends upon its ability to attract new clients. Here are some handy tips to getting a steady stream of clients in reseller hosting. Target a niche. Reseller hosting is a competitive industry, and large web hosting companies are hard to compete with. Select a niche market in your local area to start getting clients based on trust. Create your brand. A brand is like a seal of confidence that nurtures trust, which translates into more business. Create your brand and related assets such as a website to gain confidence, get trust and more clients. Write a blog. Potential customers tend to lean towards those providers who have an established expertise in web hosting. Write a blog to create thought leadership and establish your credentials as a knowledgeable hosting provider. Leverage social media. Constant visibility is the best way to get noticed and to keep getting new clients. Leverage various social media platforms to promote your products and services and gain new clients. Offer competitive pricing. Web hosting is a price-sensitive market where every small saving matters to potential site owners. Offer competitive pricing to stand out in a crowded market and attract new clients. Reseller Club offers a free reseller account with free site hosting migration and free WHM and cPanel. Get a reliable hosting partner that assures robust security, optimized performance, and seamless upgrades.